Hey, how's it going? Let me just get out my personal shopping cart here to show you. How'd you like that? My name's Joel from the Traveler Toolkit, and in this video, I'm gonna be telling you about my experience with the Strollee Personal Shopping Cart. Now, I'm gonna be coming at this from a slightly different angle. As a traveler and RVer, I can tell you that this kind of thing is really useful when you're out on the road, because often you're parking your RV at the other end of a parking lot and you don't wanna have to run back and ditch your shopping cart or leave it all the way out for somebody. You can take something like this into the grocery store with you, go all the way back to your rig, and then when you're done, you can simply fold it up just like this. It goes in your storage compartment. It's super easy to use, and it goes with you everywhere. I mean, look how light this thing is. It weighs, I don't know, 5 pounds, but it can hold up to 75 pounds. It's really great when you're on the road for laundry. If you're going to a laundry mat or something like that from your RV, you've got this, and guess what? Top portion, removable, just comes right out. Look at that bag. It goes up in the middle. That's a really cool bag with a sturdy bottom too. It's got a hard bottom on it, so it's not gonna collapse on you. You can throw laundry in there, you can throw groceries in there, jugs of milk, you know, all kinds of things. And then when you're done, it just simply sits back in and locks in position, not going anywhere. This has a brake on it right back here. Pretty intuitive. Just a little pedal right there for a brake. It's not gonna go anywhere. Then you push forward to release. It's got crazy wheels on the front. These wheels are crazy. And then the back wheels are stationary. So you can do 360-degree turns, no problem at all. You can sit here and spin all day. And it's got a super comfortable handle. It looks like a leatherish material, but I don't think it is. It's just nice and comfortable and padded. And it also has a lower storage compartment right down here for bigger, bulkier items that you don't want to put in your bag up top. You can simply take it off, throw them down there, or there's an opening right in the front. I'm telling you, there's nowhere this isn't going to be useful to have. I've really enjoyed having this around. And I think it's so easy to throw in the trunk of a car or the storage compartment of an RV that it just doesn't make sense not to have one and take it with you everywhere you go. And if you're somebody with a big old cup, you can attach your big old cup with this cup holder. It's got a slot right here on this side. There you go. Or if you want to go to the other side, you can. Other side, now you've got a cup holder for your big cup, whatever you're gonna use, take it with you. And you know, I don't personally find the cup holder that useful. In fact, I've never used it, but this thing is worth this just for the storage device and this basket on the top, this bag, whatever you wanna call it. It's about the size of 2 or 3 regular reusable grocery bags, and it just flops right down in there. So this is the Strollee Personal Shopping Cart. It's easy to take with you wherever you go, folds down nice and easy, quick, and it's made out of nice materials, so it's gonna last for a long time. So if you're in the market for something like this, I think this is a great one to buy. Check it out for yourself.